Hi everybody and welcome to Elementary Statistical Reasoning. In this brief video, I'm going to introduce myself, describe the course, and provide you with some quick tips. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Frank Losciavo, and this might help you pronounce my last name. There's a picture of me. Let me introduce you to some key members of my family. This is my wife, Rhonda. This is my stepdaughter, Sharon, and her husband, Cole, my son-in-law. We have some pets as well. This is my dog, Duke. We have a couple cats. This is Madeline. We just call her Honey Poo. We have another cat named Abby. We have some horses as well. Some of them are full size. This is Cody. Here's our newest one. This is Bandit. He's less than a year old. And then we have some miniatures as well. This is Winston. And we have a mini donkey named Grady. All right, now that you know me and my family, let's talk a little bit about the course. Our course, of course, is Elementary Statistics. And here's a phrase that will help sum up the way the course is structured. Our class will be gently blended with and strongly supported by online videos. As you know, this class is partially blended, and that simply means that there will be an online component. And specifically, you're going to be watching some videos to prepare yourself for class, at least at the beginning. This is what I mean by gently blended with online videos. Here we're talking about videos that you'll watch prior to class. Now the entire chapter will not be on video where I'm talking about it, providing you with a lecture, only some subsections of the chapter. And we're usually talking about the things that are more straightforward, the things that you would be bored just listening to me talk about in class. So if you watch these videos prior to class, then when you come to class, we can quickly summarize it and start working on some examples so you can understand those concepts at a much different level. You'll essentially be doing the homework in class and making sure that you really understand it. That pretty much covers the first half of our textbook, chapters 1 through 5. So you'll be watching some videos prior to class, and then in class, we'll take that stuff to another level, and then we'll go over other things in the textbook that are a little bit more challenging. All right, so gently blended with online videos. Now let's talk about that other part, strongly supported by online videos. Here we're talking about videos that you can watch after class if necessary, if you need more instruction, if you wanted to hear me talking about these topics again. And that's because things start getting a little tougher during the last half of our textbook, chapters 6 through 10 approximately. So that's the type of stuff that I really need to talk to you about face-to-face during lecture, and that's what we'll be doing in class. But if when you get home and you're studying, you want to hear me talking about that stuff again, there will be some videos that you can watch. So our class is gently blended with online videos and strongly supported by online videos. That's what I mean. Let's take a quick look at our Blackboard course. Let me find it. Okay. When you're able to log in, when it's available to you, just start looking around. Look at the announcements specifically, look at the syllabus. And look it over, make sure you understand, the general components of the course, what's going to be expected of you when we meet. We'll go over the syllabus in class, but it's smart to look at it ahead of time so that you know if this course is going to meet your needs, if this course is right for you. Go ahead and click on where it says online lectures and look at what we're doing for week 1 because I want to make sure that you come to class prepared. This is a really important component of what we're doing. And that's that you look at some things ahead of class so that when we're in class, we can make better use of our time. So you'll see here for week 1, there are 4 things that you need to do before class. Make sure you look at this section. Make sure you complete each one of these tasks. It's really no big deal, but it'll be much better if you come to class prepared. Let's go back and talk about some tips. First of all, make sure you try to attend every class. There is a positive correlation between class attendance and class grades. I've been teaching this class for more than 15 years now, and I've got lots of data on students' grades and attendance. And in general, the students who show up, they simply better understand the material, and that makes sense for obvious reasons. So try very hard to attend every class. Here's another tip. Bring your textbook to class. And that's because we will go over quite a few of the sample problems that are in the textbook, and some of the chapter exercises. And if you can see them listed right in front of you and you can kind of write them maybe in your textbook or in your notes, it's just very helpful to have that textbook with you. Plus there are some tables that we'll use later on in the semester that are in the back of your book. Here's another tip. Bring a calculator to class. When we start out talking about the first couple chapters, there's not really a lot that we need to compute. But of course, later on in the semester, we'll be doing plenty of computation. So bring your calculator to class. And here's another tip. You're going to have several questions about the things that we cover. So make sure you speak up, ask questions. Don't be afraid to do that. I'm bound to have lots of answers, several of which are probably going to be correct. So please speak up. I really do encourage that. So I will see you in class. Please don't be late. It would be great if we can all start on time and all be on the same page. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Take care. See ya.